Friendly.
and Fraser. Today we're going to be trying some snacks. First up, we have some Nutella pretzels. I'll go first, alright? Do you want me to try it? I give it 5 stars. Like it?
I give it 5 stars too. What do you give it?
What?
What do you give it? 5 or 4? Or
5. Alright, please. Next, we are going to be trying some Pringles. I'll open this one. Okay. I've never had this flavor before, you guys. Go
Okay.
first. I'll go after Brinley.
I'll give it
Grab
a 6 star.
Okay, 6 stars. My turn.
Actually,
I'm 9 stars.
I give it a
4 stars.
I give it a 5 star.
Okay, I give it 5 stars too. You guys get 5 stars?
I get 4.
Next, we're gonna have a kids' safe protein bar.
You can split it all.
I'll cut it in half.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Kids' safe bar. I'll try it first. That's a weird name. Here, do you guys wanna have it both? Because I've had these before. Split. You want one? Here's half. I can have one. This one. Okay. Tell me if you guys like it.
I give it. I'll give it a 6 star.
How about you, Brenda? 6 stars. Yeah.
It tastes like
Like a chocolate bar?
yeah.
Candy bar? Next is peanut butter crackers. We are really hungry, so we decided to do this video. So, next we're going to be trying some peanut butter crackers. I've had these before too, so they're going to try them. But I'm going to have a bite, I guess. You can have one bite. I'll tell you what I think. I'll eat like this. I give it 7 stars. Next, almost everyone's had this. Goldfish. I've had goldfish before. Have you guys?
Me too. Yeah, I give it a 6 star.
Same with me. I gave it 6, I think. They're fishy. If you guys haven't had goldfish before, they're like these chuddery, salty crackers. They're really good. Next thing, my mom just gave me some of these. They're like these breadsticks that you dip in cheese.
Oh yeah, I've tried that.
Have you tried this?
I give
Oh, yeah.
goldfish.
I'm not the biggest fan of it, but other people like it. A 6 star. Who wants to try this? Me. Can you get this open? This is
I
hard.
give goldfish
I don't want cheese all over my hands.
4 stars.
Just want to eat your
I
bread.
mean, it's really good,
Here's your breadstick.
but
Stick it in. Here. We'll pick that up in a minute. I'm not a big fan. I'll just stick a little bit because I don't like cheese.
I'm not double dipping. I'm going to that.
I don't double. Do you guys like it? What do you guys rate it? 1 star.
I give
1 star.
I give it probably 4 stars.
I give it 1 star. Good ratings. Good rating. Next thing. Let's see if I can find something. I think we're up for something. Like a treat. See. Do we have anything that you like? Let's see. Ooh, there's a different kind of peanut butter crackers, you guys. This is a way different brand. These are like Ritz crackers. Well, it's not Ritz crackers brand, but they're like the shapes.
Yeah,
This one tries
there's
to try-
shapes of it.
They're different flavors. But the circle ones.
peanut butter in the middle.
Mm-hmm. This is not like one actually.
I give this a 6 star.
You're 6, right?
Yeah.
How old
I
are you
give
going?
this a 5
I'm almost
star.
9, but I'm 8.
I gave this a 5 star.
So that's pretty good ratings.
I
Next,
give this a
This?
6 star.
is only if you want. Applesauce!
Mm.
It's original flavor. Show them raise up. I love applesauce. Comment down below if you guys like applesauce. Here you go, Brinley. My turn to use this. I will go check. Well, I've had this before, but we love applesauce. Here. Do you guys like applesauce?
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
We still have applesauce in our house.
I eat my applesauce like this, you guys.
Okay, I'll try it, Papa.
You guys eat with a spoon usually?
Yeah.
Yeah. I always use it with a spoon.
It's really good. How many stars do you give it?
Wait.
I give it 9 stars. It's so good.
I give it 9 stars too.
Wait.
This is probably the best.
I give this 9 stars too.
More like 10 stars.
Mm-hmm.
Mott's Applesauce brand, if you're watching, you guys make the best food ever. I got mine empty. I need a napkin. Do you guys need napkins? Okay.
There's sprinklers at the neighbors.
The sprinklers just went off now. But, are you guys full now?
Num.
Who's still hungry? Me. Who wants a bonus item? Me. Okay. Your bonus item will be, see, how about some seeds? Something that they might like. Oh, I know. I think I know. You guys might like display a Nutri-Grain bar.
Mm.
Kellogg's Nutri-Grain bars. These are good also. I like these. These are so tasty. I need to open a packet. Now those two will just split one because they're kind of big.
I'll have a little piece.
Okay, just for a small piece just in case you don't like it.
I know what those things are. They're really good. Are you having one?
I don't know. Probably not. Because I ate a big lunch. Here's your tiny piece. And Bro, do you want the rest? Because you're extra hungry.
I give this
How many pieces of pizza did you have for
10 star.
How many pieces of pizza did you have, Reza?
1.
They both had one. Were they like big pieces or small ones?
Big ones.
Big ones.
Normal size ones, yeah. Pizza's really good. Who likes spaghetti? Me. Me. How many stars do you guys rate the Nutri-Grain bar?
Not 10.
You want some? Barn.
Yeah.
I'm probably rate 6.
And I rate it. Let me get something. I rate it. 10.
It's a lot. Is that the best food? Yeah.
Probably. Applesauce for that one. But if Kellogg's is watching, we like Nutri-Grain bars, right? I'm definitely gonna buy these next time I go shopping. If I can want just one more item. And this video will be over, you guys. Let's see here. What do we have? Definitely not that.
This is kind of a long
Video.
YouTube video.
Who wants to try some raw mixed nuts?
Me.
Have you guys ever had these before?
Yeah.
I've had them also. But it's good to have a review. Pick one nuts. I'll try this one. Tell me if you guys like it.
$6.
What do you rate it?
I rate it 3 stars.
Okay. So not your favorite, not a favorite. I personally like them, but that's just me. So yeah.
I like them.
This is so you guys.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Bye.